looking into her eyes, you can see that she's as focused as ever for this one.
Keeping her head on a swivel and her eyes on the prize. That's what this business is all about, Cole.
She knows just how important a win in this one could be, and she's going to keep that in mind here.
But she'll be contending with a woman who's had a groundswell of support as of late. A competitor who's going to use that outpouring to fuel her in this fight. A stalemate of counters. These two having an answer for everything. Into the Northern Lights suplex. Not finished yet. Final cut.
She goes for the quick pin. Elevates the shoulder.
And her opponent isn't going to hand her a fast win.
She flips it back on her.
Look at this.
DDT.
Kneeling.
Able to reverse.
Springboard. Oh, that spear.
Interceptor, Corey.
Oh, and she turns it around.
Oh, man. Hell of a counter into a powerbomb.
Oh, impressive counter.
Oh, ouch. Just brutalizing their opponent with forearms to the side of the face.
Made her pay for her mistake.
Spear! Spear!
That offense taking a toll on her.
Look at this.
DDT.
Kneeling.
She says, no thanks.
Quick return to the ring.
Strength of that slam.
And into the count. Two. Big kick out.
Able to squeeze that shoulder out. So close. She's getting fired up, ready to show her opponent what she's got.
The French kiss. I've seen that move before.
Is it enough? Gets the shoulder up and one.
Impressive to not even allow a 2 count at this juncture.
She's looking highly motivated, getting hyped up.
Comes back into the ring. She's lost some of that energy she had earlier.
Well, all things considered, Cole, it's not a bad condition to be in at this point in the match.
Reverse pit!
It's over!
And finds a counter. She manages to get control.
Finds the advantage after a string of counters.
A running dragon rana.
Spectacular.
There's two.
Getting dangerously close to ending it all there.
Uh-oh. Half and half suplex.
How's that?
It's all over but the climb.
And she's still in the game.
Just when you think it's the end, she stays alive.
What amazing resilience. Is this the start of a comeback?
The best shot was thrown, but it couldn't put this match
On the top rope.
Quite an effective counter.
Near the midsection into the pump handle. Here we go. Expected.
That might have put the exclamation point on this one.
What, only two?
I would have bet this was one after that last hit.
Goes to show you just never know what your opponent's capable of.
And now it's reload time. Time to find another moment to pull off that one more time. We have seen such a physical match from these combatants, and the wear and tear is starting to show.
Now's the time where the smartest competitor needs to take advantage of the situation. Needs to figure out the quickest way to end this.
Look out!
High risk doesn't pay off.
Brash decision-making there proved to be extremely detrimental.
Can you recover from such an error? You have to wonder. Uh-oh, time to fly!
She's about to rise up to something catastrophic. From the ropes.
Oh, just completely off target there.
That was a harebrained idea to try that.
He was trying to find a way to attack, but completely wiped out.
Oh, a nasty stop to finish it off.
Has them up. Nice waist lock. Takedown. Holding on. How about another? Establishing complete control.
Hey, guys, she's dangerously close to a count-out loss. Goes under the ropes to get back inside. No, they beat the count.
Just barely. She just created a prime opportunity.
It wasn't enough. She kicked out.
It was almost all over for her. It does not get much closer to 3 than that. Uh-oh, time to fly. And she gets herself out of a precarious position. Uh-oh, saw it coming and slowed it down with the back elbow.
Every person in this capacity crowd is on their feet.
And with good reason. These superstars are earning all of their respect. Oh! Saw that one coming.
Caught square by a haymaker. Seeing an answer for every move attempted. Answer after answer for each other's offense here.
Counters that. Springboard drop kick. Cover. 2. Oh, she's out at 2.
She kicked out? No way! She actually kicked out?
Oh, I'll tell you, I thought this superstar was out of this match, but apparently not. What a comeback. Cover. Is it enough? And she fights it off.
She just will not go away. Oh, and she got out of there.
Clothesline. What a way to get countered.
She's getting back up, but she might be down again soon.
She's got an answer for that.
What do you say? I mean, this is amazing.